Supercharge your PrestaShop store with eBay Marketplace Integration. Connects PrestaShop and eBay for seamless integration. Syncs products between both platforms. Automatically manage orders and inventory directly from PrestaShop. Expand your sales reach to eBay's global audience. This is Module Understanding, video of eBay, module, and we are proceeding with the same here. First, we have to install the module on the PrestaShop store. So to install the module on the PrestaShop store, first we have to click on Upload a Module button, then we will click on it. We will have a pop-up like this here. We have to click on Select File. When you will click on this, you will be redirected to the local, where you have to choose your module file and upload it here. So when you are selected, it will redirect. It will install the module. And when the module is completely done, you will have a Configure button on your screen like this, and you will click on it. You will be redirected to the module configuration page, where you will find that module will be disconnected and disabled by default. So first you have to enable the module and connect it to proceed further with its configuration. For now, here you need the Dev ID, App ID, Cert ID, RU. Name and PayPal email. So these details will come from the eBay developer account, for which you have to create an eBay developer account. And we have given the steps to create the eBay developer account and update the redirect URL on your development account. There, you will find the required details. These are the details which you require to fill in your module respectively. So for the app ID, you have to copy the details from here and update in your module app ID. Next is your dev ID. So enter the dev ID on the respective column. Now copy the cert ID, update it in your respective column on the module. Now it asks for the RU name. First, you have to create the RU key, so you have to click on User Token button. It will be redirected to the list. As of now, we are working for the sandbox on your store for the production. You can use the production details. So this is the RU you can create at eBay, redirected URL, then you will click on it. You will be having a new RU created at the last. This is the RU name, so you have to copy update it. You have to enter the RU name on which you have added your redirected URL. So this is the redirected URL given on the module configuration page. You have to update the redirected URL here now. Save. So once you will save it, enable the auth. Just enable the auth. Now go on the module again. Save the details. Once it shows the details, just you have not entered the PayPal email here. You have to enter your account in PayPal account email. Now save the settings will be updated and you will find the success message like this. Now you have to generate a token for the country for which you wanted to enable the module in which country you will deal with your deal in. So as of now, we will enable for the US. So you have to edit. Click here to connect with the US. Once you will click, it will redirected to the another page. It will run the cron and ask you to log in your eBay seller account. So you have to enter the username sign in. You have to enter the password sign in, and your eBay seller account will be logged in here. Once it is logged in, it will show you the success message. Just go back on the page. Module page, refresh that country token page. If the token is completely generated, then it will be visible like this, and the show the connection status connected. You have to enable it and click on save. Once it is enabled, you will find the US is connected. Go on the general setting and you can create it for the multiple countries. Next tab, we are having a profile management here. You can create profiles, and when you will click on a create profile, you will find some fields which are mandated to be filled. The first is eBay site here. You have enabled it for the US, so you have to select your site next. The currency, which works on that specific site. The language, you have to choose the shipping template, which you will be using the shipping profile. So now here, we do not have a shipping profile. So first we have to add shipping profile. So you have to import the shipping methods first. Then only you can create the profile once all the shipping method is being created, which are present by default in eBay. Once the import is completed, you have to create your profile. So I have selected the eBay site is US. The service I want is to be calculated next. You have to add the shipping name. If you want to enable the international shipping, then you can enable it as the international shipping won't be allowed on your eBay store. Next is the excluded location. Just enter the location name, which you want it to be excluded for your store on eBay. So I have entered China and save the profile. Once the profile is being created, you can edit it. You will edit it, and you can make any changes once the changes is being completed, then you can click on Save button. You can click on Save button to save the modifications, and then you will find those changes on your screen. You can edit also, you can delete it if you want to add more shipping profiles. You can click on Add New button if you wanted to export the data. Shipping profiles, you can click on Export button, and it will be created next. You are having the shipping now. Just go on the profile management and refresh the page so that your shipping can be listed here again. You have to choose the eBay site, the currency, the language, the eBay. This is a shipping profile. You can select on custom that we have created here. You have to enter your ship profile name. So we have created the profile now. You have to sync the eBay category, so you have to click here. We have given a button to click here so that your category could be synced. Also, you can sync it from here. The button to sync the category is given. It will be redirected to the another page where the cron will be running once the cron run completely, and it will show the success message. Like this, you have to go back on the page and refresh. Once you have synced the eBay category, then you have to select it. And you can select the subcategories as well and click on Save. Also, you can change it and make the changes again. Click on Confirm so that the changes will be reflected in the profile next. You have to select your store category that in which the products have been mapped, and those product will go on the eBay store. So you have to select those category product of which you wanted to get same. You have to again select the duration, like after 1 day it will be keep syncing for any new product or any new changes. The condition that you wanted to send on your eBay for the products you are syncing, this is the alter quantity. So this is to avoid the eBay selling. Immigration, when enter the quantity of the product which you want to sync on eBay. Like if you are having the 10 products in your normal PrestaShop store and you want only 5 to be, get on the eBay, so you have to enter 5. If you want to add fields, you have 100 quantity of a product, and system will send quantity as a 5 for the product. And in case that item is less than 5, system will send the actual quantity of the product to sell on eBay, right? So you have to enter the alter quantity here. Next, we are having the price management here. You have to select the payment profile. Then this is not available, so you can select the increase or decrease the price, which is on the PrestaShop store, will be synced on your eBay according to the profile configuration you have done for the price. Suppose here we have selected the decrease with the value of 10, so the product having 20 on your PrestaShop store, it will get sync 10 price with that product. This will be fixed, or 10%. The price will be decreased by 10%, or the 10 only. Next is a product. This max product dispatch time. Next, you have to enable or disable return, in case you want to return available for your store. So you can keep it enable as you can keep it disabled. Next is a run template type here. It is a custom return profile or a eBay return profile. When you will click on a custom return profile, so you can create the description. If you want a eBay return profile, then we have already listed some of those, so you can select it from here. Next is a product. 1, choose a product country and the product location, which will be synced once you have filled the complete detail. Click on Save. You will be react to the specifics. The specifics in terms of the attribute of the products. The brand, which will be mapped to the size, the MP, and will be the color. The mandatory specific will be marked with an asterisk, so you have to fill them in case. There are a lot of specifics, and they are not mandatory, so you can keep it blank and click on Complete Profile so that a profile could be created once the profile is completely created. It will look like this on your screen here. You can edit the profile, you can deactivate the profile, you can delete the profile, you can local sync the product, and you can sync on eBay. So I have mapped the 3 categories. The product, which are mapped in those 3 categories, will be locally synced on the product management page. So just run the cron of local sync. From here, local sync is completed. It will show you that is executed successfully. Now go on the product listing page. You will find the products of those categories which were mapped.